Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to be making sticky wax. This is a craft wax, good for holding things in place temporarily while you're working on projects. There's many kinds of wax. There's beeswax, candelilla wax, carnauba wax, paraffin wax, sprue wax in an assortment of sizes. There's also a carving wax, which is a combination of a bunch of different kinds of wax, and it's also got talc in it to make it carvable. For this sticky wax, we're going to be combining beeswax and tree sap, also called rosin. You can get this stuff on Amazon. The first step here is to measure out the ingredients. The recipes that I've seen online are 40% tree sap and 60% beeswax. But you don't have to be too precise with this. The next step is to transfer this to a glass container. We're going to do the double boiling method for this. You'll need a large pot of boiling water. When you place the glass into the pan of boiling water, the action of the water might cause the glass container to bounce around a bit. The best way to fix that is to offset the pot from the burner and then the glass container from the heating element underneath the pot. This should take about 20 or 30 minutes to melt. Stir it occasionally. Here I'm adding an orange crayon for color. I just want to be able to differentiate this wax between some of my other waxes, and I picked orange because I don't have a wax in that color. You can use anything you like. I'm going to pour this into these little ramekins to harden, but I'm going to line them with little squares of wax paper first. You can pour all of this into one container if you've got a container big enough for all the melted wax that you've got. Once you're done filling these containers, you can set them in the fridge to cool. After letting them cool until they're good and solid, you can take them out and peel the wax paper off. This wax has a variety of uses for arts and crafts. But one of the cool things about it is in its cold state, you can actually use it to adhere hard objects to each other, plastic, metal, glass, etc. Most of the waxes I have here for sculpting and carving won't do this. They'll just fall right off of a surface when they're cold. Now, if you've enjoyed this video or found it useful or educational in any way, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.